the hidden forces behind electricity generation. Unveiling the invisible power. What if I told you that the very spark that lights up your living room comes from a complex dance of forces hidden beneath the surface of our planet? Each time you flip a switch, an intricate network of generation, transmission, and consumption springs into action. But how does this all start? The quest for understanding how electricity is produced leads us deep into the secrets of nature's fundamental forces. Harnessing nature's elements. Electricity is not created, it's gathered from the natural world. One of the most common sources is the transformation of mechanical energy through generators. Think of a wind turbine gliding through the sky. When the wind blows, blades spin, turning a rotor connected to a generator. The lateral movement creates an electromagnetic field, and voila, you've got electricity. But what about other forms of generation? Hydroelectric power is another prevalent method. In this scenario, water flows through dammed rivers, moving turbines in the process. This gravitational force combines with kinetic energy, leading to the conversion into electric power. As you watch a river flow, you witness energy ready to be harnessed, a continuous cycle powered by the earth itself. The heat of the moment. Now, let's delve into thermal power. This method relies on heating water to produce steam that turns turbines. Often, this heat comes from burning fossil fuels, like coal, oil, or natural gas. Surprisingly, these sources are not as sustainable as we think. While they have fueled our development, they also contribute significantly to greenhouse gases, raising environmental concerns. But there's a twist to the tale. Did you know that nuclear energy, despite its controversial reputation, is remarkably efficient? Using uranium as a fuel, nuclear plants produce immense amounts of heat through fission. This heat converts water into steam, just like traditional thermal plants, yet with minimal emissions. Is it the answer to sustainable energy? The debate rages on. Solar power, a bright future. In this age of innovation, solar energy shines brightly. Solar panels convert sunlight directly into electricity through photovoltaic cells. When sunlight hits the cells, it excites electrons, facilitating their movement and creating electrical flow. This seemingly simple process holds enormous potential, given the sun's abundance. However, a common misconception exists. Many believe solar energy relies only on sunny weather. But did you know sunlight can still generate electricity on cloudy days? While efficiency decreases, solar panels capture various wavelengths of light. Thus, harnessing energy is not strictly a sunny day affair. What other myths surround our understanding of solar energy? Wind and beyond. Wind energy follows a similar path. Large wind farms dot the global landscape, transforming kinetic energy from powerful gusts into necessary power. In particular, offshore wind farms are becoming increasingly popular due to their capacity to capture stronger winds. The mechanics are straightforward, but the implications for energy production are monumental. Isn't it fascinating how air currents unknowingly contribute to our daily lives? The feedback loop, transmission and consumption. Electricity generation is merely the beginning. Once produced, electricity travels through a vast network of transmission lines, often spanning hundreds of miles. This electrical grid operates as a highly organized system, balancing supply and demand efficiently. You might think of it as a symphony, where every conductor must stay in sync to maintain harmony. How does this intricate system ensure our homes light up seamlessly, regardless of where the energy is generated? It's a captivating saga of science meeting sociology, technology intertwining with day-to-day living. Yet, significant challenges arise when demand surges unexpectedly, often leading to blackouts. The question remains, can our grid handle the ever-growing appetite for power? Reflecting on our energy choices. Amidst this backdrop of complexity, we face our reality. The increasing need for sustainable energy sources and climate-conscious decisions weighs heavily on our collective shoulders. Each generation method carries its own benefits and pitfalls. As we navigate these choices, what role will you play in fostering a greener future? The energy landscape is changing, and not just in technology. Personal choices affect our consumption habits, influencing the path toward a sustainable future. What steps can you take in your own life to reduce energy waste? Every action counts, and we're all part of this revelation. Inviting shared journeys. Electricity is more than just a utility. It's the lifeblood of modern civilization. From the simple act of flipping a switch to the profound implications of energy production on our planet, every facet of our electricity system deserves exploration. What have you learned about your energy consumption habits recently? Are you surprised by how electricity is generated?